Airbag Warning Light. How do I reset Airbag Warning Light? Step number 1. Put the key into the ignition and turn the switch to the on position. Step number 2. Watch for the airbag light to turn on. It will stay illuminated for 7 seconds and then shut itself off. After it shuts off, immediately turn the switch off and wait 3 seconds. Step number 3. Repeat steps 1 and 2 more times. Start the engine. Is it safe to drive with your airbag light on? Maybe. It could be a problem in the sensor that causes the light to come on. Or the problem could be that your airbags will not deploy if you end up in a collision. It is not recommended you take the chance. A mechanic can diagnose why your airbag light has come on. If it is a problem with the sensor can be replaced. If your airbags need to be reset, a mechanic can do that for you. You should always assume that if your airbag light has come on, your safety could be compromised, so get it checked out as soon as possible. What happens when you haven't been in an accident yet and you are still having airbag issues? Your car will tell you by illuminating or flashing the airbag warning light on your dashboard or computer display. When this light is on, that means your airbags are deactivated. It means they will not deploy properly if you get into an accident. Needless to say, this is a serious issue that you will want to get rectified quickly for your safety and the safety of your passengers. There is always a chance that the airbag light is on by accident and it just needs to be reset. Otherwise, there are numbers of other situations that may cause the airbags to fail, such as depleted airbag backup battery. If your car's battery has drained recently, it may have also depleted the backup battery that powers the airbags. It may correct itself once the battery is fully charged again, but if not, the backup battery will need to be recharged along with the sensor reset. Second cause: faulty sensors. Your car has many different sensors connected to different components. They link directly to the car's computer system to detect and notify the driver of any potential issues. Sensors can fail or be tripped on accident to cause the airbag warning to illuminate. These sensors will need to be checked and the system will need to be reset. Cause number 3. Damaged airbag clock spring. The airbag clock spring is there to maintain continuity between the electrical wiring of the vehicle and the driver's side airbag. It coils in and out as the steering wheel turns. It can become worn out naturally over time, which causes a poor connection and potential airbag failures. Cause number 4. Wet airbag module. If your vehicle has experienced water damage, it could have affected the airbag module located under the driver and/or passenger seat. If it is shorted out or corroded, it won't work properly. Whether it's on by mistake or through one of these common causes, your airbag warning light is there for a reason. If it comes on, you will want to get your airbag system and sensors repaired as soon as possible. Why have airbags if they are not going to work in case of accident?